Greeting high vibrations, it's LaLa, your high vibe coach. Let's talk about color psychology, but this time with your juice. Did you know the color of your juice isn't just for Instagram aesthetics? Each vibrant hue packs its own unique health benefits, from boosting your immunity to enhancing your skin's glow. Today, I am decoding what your juice color says about your health and revealing which colors you might be missing in your routine. Stay tuned because I have a pro tip in the end that will take your juicing game to the next level. Let's get into it. Here's a juicy fact. The colors of fruits and vegetables aren't random. They are actually nature's way of signaling the nutrients inside. These pigments, called phytonutrients, act like superheroes for your body, fighting inflammation, boosting energy, and even protecting against dis-ease and discomfort. Most of us stick to one or two colors in juicing, like green or orange. While those are great, a lack of variety means you are missing out on a whole spectrum of benefits. So let's break it down color by color. Let's start with the queen of juicing, green. Green juices are packed with chlorophyll, which act as a detox for your body, cleansing your liver and improving digestion. Ingredients like kale, spinach, cucumber, and celery are loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, plus minerals like magnesium that reduce bloating and increase your energy. Green juices are perfect for weight loss, glowing skin, and balancing your hormones. Adding a hint of citrus like lemon or lime not only improves the taste, but also helps your body absorb all that green goodness. Next up, the sunshine in a bottle. Orange and yellow juices, carrots, oranges, turmeric, and pineapples are loaded with beta carotene and vitamin C, which strengthen your immune system and improve your vision. These juices are also anti inflammatory powerhouses. Turmeric, for example, fights joint pain and muscle soreness, making it a perfect post workout juice ingredient. Natural sweetness of these juices can curb sugar cravings. Red juices, both vibrant and great for your heart. Beets, pomegranates, watermelons, and strawberries are full of antioxidants like anthocyanins and lycopene, which reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health. Beet juice, in particular, is known for boosting stamina and endurance, perfect for athletes or anyone needing a midday energy boost. And if you're looking for anti aging benefits, red juices are your go to. They promote collagen production and improve blood flow to your skin. Purple and blue juices may not be as common, but they are a absolute game changer for your brain and memory. Ingredients like blueberries, blackberries, red cabbage, and purple carrots are high in anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect your brain from aging and improve focus. If you've been feeling mentally foggy, try adding a purple juice to your juicing routine. Last but not least, let's talk about white and clear juices. These may sound boring, but they are incredibly powerful. Ingredients like ginger, coconut water, and fennel are fantastic for digestion, hydration, and reducing inflammation. Ginger, in particular, is a digestive superhero, Coconut water keeps your electrolytes balanced. These juices are great for anyone with sensitive stomachs or recovering from an illness. High vibrations. Are you ready to unlock the power of juicing and transform your health in just minutes a day? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by where to start, what recipes to try, or how to handle juicing challenges, I've got the perfect solution for you. I'm Lala, your high vibe coach, and I've created the ultimate juicing bundle to make your juicing journey simple, stress free, and oh so rewarding. This bundle includes everything you need to juice with confidence and consistency, whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your wellness game. No more guesswork. Get clear answers to frequently asked questions like how many juices should I drink a day and can I juice while working out? Over 50 mouth-watering combinations for detox, weight loss, and immunity designed with your health goals in mind. Turn your leftover pulp into delicious snacks and meals. Troubleshoot common juicing problems like budgeting, scheduling, and consistency. This e bundle is designed to save you time, money, and keep you motivated. Download your juicing e bundle now and start transforming your health today. Here's your pro tip. Don't stick to just one juice color. Think of your juices as a rainbow, with each color serving a unique purpose. Create a plan where you incorporate green for detox, orange for immunity, red for heart health, purple for brain power, and white for digestion. This way, you are getting the full spectrum of nutrients that your body craves. Let's get juicy. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay high.